Nathan. That's what we call Sam, of course. Always in Mary's shadow and crying over everything so he could be rescued. A lady that used to babysit would give him his name Samly.
Family.
A friend of his mother introduced him to the violin, playing. He became a virtuoso. Sam attended and graduated from Lincoln University, served in the U.S. Army, and worked at various hospitals. Many years, Sam worked in industry as a computer programmer and system analyst. Later on, he applied his skill to the Philadelphia School District and retired after more than 25 years. Marriage was to Wilhelmina Riley and the family, and were the proud parents of Victoria Lynn.